What is industrial automation? A beginner's guide. Imagine a world where machines work seamlessly, performing repetitive tasks with precision, speed, and efficiency. This is the essence of industrial automation. But what exactly is it, and why is it transforming industries worldwide? Industrial automation is the use of control systems, like computers, robots, and information technology, to handle various processes and machinery in an industry. Instead of relying on manual labor, automation enables machines to take over repetitive, dangerous, or precision-demanding tasks. The primary goal of industrial automation is simple: to increase efficiency, improve quality, reduce human error, and create safer working environments. Types of industrial automation. There are four main types of industrial automation. 1. Fixed automation. Think of conveyor belts or assembly lines. These systems are designed for high-volume production with limited flexibility. 2. Programmable automation, used for batch production. A great example is CNC machines that can be reprogrammed for different tasks. 3.F flexible automation, ideal for industries requiring high customization, like automotive manufacturing. 4. Integrated automation, a fully automated system where machines, robots, and software are interconnected to handle the entire process seamlessly. Industrial automation relies on several key components to function effectively. 1. Sensors. These collect data, such as temperature, pressure, or flow rates. 2. PLCs, programmable logic controllers. The brain of automation systems, controlling machines based on the data received. 3. Actuators. These convert control signals into mechanical actions, like opening a valve or moving a robotic arm. 4. SCADA systems. Allow operators to monitor and control processes remotely. Industrial automation has applications in almost every sector. 1. Automotive robots assemble cars with unmatched precision. 2. Food and beverage. Automated systems ensure consistent quality and packaging. 3. Pharmaceuticals. Precision instruments maintain accuracy in drug production. 4. Energy. Automation optimizes power generation and distribution. The benefits of industrial automation are undeniable. 1. Higher productivity. Machines work faster and longer than humans. 2. Improved quality, consistency is key, and automation delivers it. 3. Cost savings. Reduced labor and operational costs. 4. Enhanced safety. Dangerous tasks are handled by machines, protecting workers. Industrial automation isn't just about machines. It's about creating a smarter, safer, and more efficient world. Whether you're an enthusiast, a student, or a professional, understanding automation is the first step to embracing the future of industries. Stay tuned to Factory Flow for more insights into the fascinating world of industrial applications and instrumentation automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.